Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another Louis Vuitton unboxing. We're gonna unbox the Agenda MM. I don't know if I should keep it or exchange it. I think I might exchange it for the Neverfull, but I'll think about that. Here we go. My essay forgot to include the perfume sample. She was supposed to include, she asked me which one I liked, and it was, I can't remember the name, but yeah. So she said that all this was leather. So if anything happens to the leather, you know when you put cards and it starts to crack here, well, they'll exchange that. This is made in France. You can put your passport in here, and she said that if anything happens to the button, you can exchange, you can change the button as long as the canvas is okay. They'll be able to repair any wear and tear. So this was about $5.65 Canadian dollars plus tax. And then it came, well, I ordered this for $61. There's one for $115 and one for $61. The $151, it comes with a card, with a map, a small map, black and white. It's nothing special. And it comes with a little, very tiny, slim phone booklet. It's really small, and I'm like, I'm not paying extra $4 for a booklet, a tiny booklet, and like a black and white map. Okay, I'm struggling here, hold on. So guys, here we go. This is what it looks like. I don't know what these are. I think these are names of like cities or something. I don't know. Then you have like notes, I think. You have like this shiny silver edges around the book. It's like all around, it's shiny and silver. It comes with these stickers. The stickers don't have the hole, so you can't really put it inside this here. So it's like inside the rings, I guess. You can, however, put it in here. You put your passport in here. Your passport which should fit in there. It's big enough. So the stickers do come with the $115 one and the $61. So yeah. And let's go over a few things. Like that's December. Well, it talks about all the festivals here. Focus. Like the Canadian festivals and the days, and like Christmas and Hanukkah, and I think Black History Month and everything. So for like a lot of the countries. Yeah. Anyways, I'll just put this insert inside the agenda and I'll show you what it looks like. So here you go guys. It's inside the inserts inside the rings. So program planning for 2019, and this one's like, this is like the only page that's like this long. I think it has every month of the year, and yeah, it's nice and smooth. It goes through like pretty smoothly, so there's like plenty of space to put inserts from Etsy if you want, like you want to add like those really shiny like bookmarks and fancy bookmarks from Etsy, or like this see-through pouch that you can insert on the rings to put, I don't know, other things in here. But yeah, I think it's really worth it, but I'm not sure for my lifestyle if this is the right thing for me right now, so I'll just dwell on it. But if you do have a busy schedule and it's hard for you to keep up with stuff, I definitely recommend it. Like the dates are there, everything's you know, they're all pre-done, and you just have to like put your schedule in. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching.